and watch how I made 6 racks today, past the Topstep account, which I'll show you the proof here, March the 3rd. Also, boys, as you can see here, I passed Redline funded futures. It took me 23 seconds to acquire 2 50k accounts. I've now acquired $100,000 in funding in 23 seconds. I'm live trading the fucking come up, bro. It's free. You boys are just gonna see it in real time. Me fucking make stupid progression. And this week I plan to make a payout across both New York and London, and I'm gonna do everything live. All in the live stream. We've got 160 people in here right now. Double using the fucking chat. I'm gonna share my screen. Do remember we are a little bit early, so can y'all see my screen? Yo boys, today's day 2 of me live streaming until I get a payout on New York session. If you do want to join me on these live streams and watch how I made 6 racks today, past the Topstep account, which I'll show you the proof here, March the 3rd. Also boys, as you can see here, I passed Redline funded futures. I've passed this as well, 2 of these accounts. So the trade I took today was this buy here. I'm going to show you on TradingView. So today's entry was like this, right? Now I'm going to show you on TradingView my entry, and I'm going to actually back test today so you can see how it went. Now, obviously, we mark out our support. So obviously what I've done is, before market open, I marked out support, marked out resistance, right? And simple as that, boys. All I do is, if for those that don't know, I trade breakouts at market open. So whatever level this breaks, I'm either going to take a sell. If it breaks this level, I'm going to take a buy. Obviously, I can take a bias into consideration, but it really don't mean shit. Okay, we're on a downtrend. Okay, I'm looking for shorts. But really, I'm not really looking for shorts. I will observe that, but I'm basically just seeing what level it fucking breaks first. And in this case, I went for the buy. So if we go forward, as you can see here, market opens. Boom. Within 23 seconds on the first 1 minute candle, we hit a 1 to 2. Past 5 accounts, all in one trade, because I use one trade accounts. And I used it all on this platform here. The spreads in immediately. The exit immediate. Bruv, copy traded that shit. 6 bags on a fucking day. It's how you get your funding back, boys. It's how you get your funding back. So we're up to 2 for 2 so far this week as well. Redline futures, this is the other prop firm. This is the easiest prop firm. It took me 23 seconds to acquire 2 50k accounts. I've now acquired $100,000 in funding in 23 seconds trade. Easiest as well. All I had to do was make 2.7k. Obviously here you can see, ever since we started live trading New York session, we've taken W's after W's. 30 contracts, 25 point stop, 1 trade, 53 racks. Bro, just like that. It doesn't have to be that complicated. Genuinely probably the easiest prop firm of any prop firm I've ever had to pass. All we had to do is make 2.7. Every other prop firm you have to make 3k, but I made 3k because I also had Apex accounts underneath this that I was passing as well. Traded session, 1 trade. Yo boys, honestly, I believe I may have found the easiest and most affordable prop firm to pass in 1 trade. Apex is fucking sick, but I genuinely think I found a competitor. Like, genuinely. Traded with these guys live on the live stream today, and bro, it was so clean. But yo, check it. So Redline futures, right? So look, check it. As you can see here, I literally got funded with these guys today. I got 2 accounts, 50Ks, fucking easy, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So right, go to accounts. As you can see, we'll come down, select 50K. Now, I know a lot of people like the activation fees. Now, if you don't want an activation fee, it's $87. It's literally the cheapest no activation fee accounts on the market. Like, genuinely, I had people put me on in my Discord about Redline futures. As you can see here, if you go for the no activation fee accounts, and also as you can see here, with the activation fee, it's $47 fucking dollars, which is literally, there's no over and again that's this cheap for a 1 trade account. Remember, a 1 trade account. And the crazy thing is, I reached out to these guys after today's trade. This is why this video is a little bit later. And I was like, yo, bro, I need to get, like, let me help my community, right? So if you use the code LOCKIN, apply this shit. As you can see here, for me, it's £32, bro, and 94 pence. It's fucking Bro, are you stupid? To acquire 50 grand's worth of funding, you just literally risk it. One account, boom, one account a day, one account a day, one account a day. You are gonna pass these accounts and acquire capital. Then you can just trade low risk and trade how you should actually trade. So there you are, boys. That's my 2 cents. That's what I'm doing and what I've done, and how I plan to move forward this month. And I'm doing this shit all on live stream. So that's another 5 accounts today in total. Easy, done. Who took that trade now? I also today, I'm going to activate this account right in front of your eyes. I've started and bought this account yesterday, so 2 days we've passed. So let me just activate this account real quick. As you can see here, continue. Let me agree to all this shit, because obviously I agree to making fucking peas, bruv, you know what I'm saying? Right, boom, $178. Heavy. Boom, all right, cool. Now that's activated. Boom, there it is, boys. That is a brand new account. As you all know, last Thursday or Friday, I lost my accounts. No matter, I've got it all back, all within 2 days. Redline futures, past these 2 accounts, bruv. Are you stupid? And this week, I plan to make a payout across both New York and London, and I'm going to do everything live. So, boys, if you do want to join me on the live stream, literally come onto here, above my head, as you can see on the video right now. This is the room. London session open and New York session open. I'll be on there 10-15 minutes before, marking up my support and resistance levels. Bruv, get on that shit. I do it all for free. Bruv, I am showing you the fucking come up in real time, live streaming it all. Nobody does this. This shit is unique. Everybody live trades when they've already made it, when they've already got the watch, when they've already got the bitches, when they've already got the Lambo, when they've already got the penthouse, bro. I'm doing this shit in a £10 fucking TikTok watch and a fucking box room with shit all over it.